Hello children, Sai Ram. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Enjoying? Good. Helping your parents? Very good. Studying in your home? Very good. Along with study, have little fun with craft. Now children, what is this picture? Two same cars. Yes, there are two cars of same color. Yes, both are same. Yes, very cute puppies. Both the puppies are very cute and same. Now children, what is this? They are two cute babies. Yes, both are same. Yes, okay. These are called as twins. These are called as twins. One of two children or animals that are born to one mother at the same time. These are called as twins. Children, both two of same size, that is twin boat. One of a pair of things that are same or very similar. This is known as twin boat. So, what's your today's topic? Today, twin boat. Now children, you are familiar with the twin? Twin means similar. Two similar things. So, two similar things, same, identical or duplicate. Okay children? Very good. So, today's topic is twin boat. It is a pair joined together. Yes, it is used as means of transport. So children, these are the steps to do the twin boat. So, be ready with a square size paper. Now children, take a square size paper of your choice. Fold it into two parts. Now you get the two parts. Then again fold it into two parts. Slowly the edges. Unfold it. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Now first corner, fold it properly and last one, fold it. Slowly press it. Again, turn it back and make it into two parts. Slowly press it. Now, see here. Now you can see the imaginary line and same thing, fold it. From left side, fold and from the right side, fold it. Slowly fold it. It is the square size. Now, see, this is the square size. Okay, and from the edge into it and touch the finger to the corner and slowly open it. you can see a small triangular shape. And from the left side down corner, same thing. You have to take the finger, put the finger inside, make the small triangle and press slowly. Last corner, insert your finger, point finger, and slowly press it, and you can see that small triangle. Now children, now you can see which shape it is? Hexagon. 6 sides. Isn't it children? First before it was square size. Square size. When you fold the corners in triangular shape, it has become hexagon shape. Isn't it? Yes, very nice. Now turn this. You can see the hexagon. Very nice. Now slowly fold it into 2 parts. Slowly fold it into 2 parts. Yes? Yes, touch the corners. Press it firmly. Now your twin boat is ready. Yes, children? Is it ready? Very good. Is it nice? Simple? 2 identical boats. Yes, both are same. So it's known as twin boat. So you can try this and you can stick in your drawing book. So take the pencil, write the date, today's date, and write the heading as twin boat. TWINBOAT boat. Twin boat. Okay, children? Yes. Very good. So, try to make this twin boat. Okay, children? Have a good day. Bye-bye. Take care.